Hi guys, this lesson we're going to talk about Pro's hurdle. Firstly, turn on TonyPi Pro and place it in front of hurdle. The principle of this game is similar to going up and down stairs. The robot can recognize different colors. Here, TonyPi Pro will approach hurdle when recognizing blue. Before playing this game, please know that you'd better start game in a world and solid color environment. Secondly, apart from map and tools, do not have objects within the vision range that are the same as or similar to blue to avoid a failing experience. Now let's get started. Firstly, open LX terminal and the command and press enter to come to the directory of game programming. Please know that you must pay attention to case sensitivity and get following keyword with tab key. Then, enter the following command and press enter to start the game. Now, let's look at the performance. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.